The Prima metallic accents are so beautiful and look amazing on dark paper. So I thought it'd be fun to do a quick sort of starry background with some, just with some water in the actual paint themselves. So I've already pre-wet the pans just so they're nice and soft, and all I'm going to do is dip my brush and then tap it and do heaps of little splatters like this. Just go into the next color and tap and tap and tap until my entire page is covered, and most likely my table and possibly my clothes as well. I'll change direction. I might mop up. This one's a little bit bigger than I wanted. A bit of green. Definitely protect your surface first. Bit of this yellow. This one's my favorite, I think. Bit more water. And I'm just going to keep going like this. And add a bit more water as I go along if needed. When everything's nice and dry, just really gorgeous splatters and speckles of goodness. I mean, this could be a fun little starting point as a background for a journal page, or I'm sure it can give you inspiration for lots of other things you could do. But hopefully some inspiration